Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I did this bell pants for my daughter. Okay, so first you're going to need some stretch fabric. I got this one from Walmart. Okay, you're going to fold it in half and you're going to lay it down as flat as you can. Okay, once you have that, you're gonna need some sweatpants. I got this one from Her Clothes, so that should work. I'm gonna use this as my pattern, so just lay it on top of the fabric and pretty much leave like around 2 inches on top. That way it can be like a high-waisted leggings. That's what I did there. I forgot to tell you guys that you need to lift like probably like half an inch for your seam allowance, but I didn't do that here since the fabric is stretchy, so I didn't thought that I would need it, and it turned out good as well. So yeah, you're gonna need 2 pieces like that, like for the front and the back, in total 4 pieces. Alright, so and once you have your 4 pieces, grab 2 of them and you're gonna sew along like the on the curvy side, you know, like that. There you go. Yes. And when you're sewing along, you're gonna need to put the 2 pieces of fabric right sides facing together, like so. There you go. That's the front and that's the back. And you're gonna also put the 2 pieces right sides facing together, like so, and just do your right edges all the way around, like so. Over here I'm just pinning down my pieces together because it's easy for me to sew along. This step is totally like as you prefer. If you have pins, go ahead and do them. It's way more easy, but if you don't, just try to put the 2 pieces, you know, all pieces together like as even as you can. That way you don't have no problems. Okay, so for this part, you know, like the bell design at the bottom of the pants, you're gonna need to cut from a piece of paper. You're gonna fold it in half and then fold it in another half, like so, and you're gonna try to do like a cone. I did mine at 4 inches, like so. Just go around and do 4 inches and mark it down, and just cut the pattern that you just made. For the inner circle, you're gonna grab the measuring tape as well and just do 1.5, and do the same when you do like the 4, like so, like that. Yeah, 1.5 the inner circle and 4 inches for the big circle, like so. And that's gonna be your pattern for the bell at the bottom of the pants. So go ahead and cut 2 of those. I couldn't record all this because my daughter was just in front of the camera. So yeah, I just got 2 of those and you'll be good. Alright, there you go. You got 2 circles for the bell design at the bottom of the leggings. And over here I'm just like trying to like find the center of them, that way I can match that at the bottom of the leggings. Like it will be easy for me to just, you know, sew along them and everything. Also, I did some folds because in the middle I was left with some fabric, so I just did like small folds, that way it can be like a fluffy design at the bottom like so. And that's the result when everything is put down together. Okie dokie, so for the top part, what I just did was I just like did one single fold, I stitched it down, and I left some space for the elastic to go in later. Once I had that done, I just cut like a small hole between that for the elastic to go in. I used like a baby pin, one of those thingies, and I just put it together with the elastic and I went inside the gap that I just created. And I just went all the way in. At the end, when the two ends meet, go ahead and just do a zigzag stitch to connect the elastic together. Okay, so now that you have two ends out, go ahead and just stitch them together. And don't forget to close the little hole that you just made before that, okay? Those are the results. They are so pretty. I love. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.